tutorial to walk you through how I can use this SF920 mic. I bought it, I almost returned it back because I was frustrated. I didn't know how to use it. So here we explain to you how I can use it without having any issue. So this is the mic and this is the volume that controls the mic. Reduce it entirely, you won't record anything. Then this is the stand, and the stand is very short. Let me make it clear to you. Stand is short, so this is how you can fix it to the stand. Then it has 3 legs. You can expand the leg. Please, I don't know the manufacturer and they did not promote this video. The essence of this video is to make you know how to use it. Please like the video, share with others, and also subscribe the channel for more of this tutorial. So this is how it can stand, and as you can see it look awesome, but it's short, it's not long. Then this is the cable, the cable. I'm connecting it direct. So you can change it to make sure that the connector connects how you can see the knob. You can see it here, there's the knob. You can use to press it in or out. So this is how it looks like when it's connected. But this is short, let me still remind you. So when you connect it this way, on Windows 10, I've tried about 3 different windows, both Windows 8.1. It won't work. You won't even hear anything. It don't work. But when you connect it with this USB sound adapter, then the mic will give you whatever you need. Even as I'm talking now, I connected it with USB sound or sound card. You have to connect it through the sign where there is mic. So once you connect it there, then connect it to USB of your system, and they are good to go. Since you have seen how you can fix the accessories together with the USB sound cards, so here let's see how we can download the software which we are going to use for the mic. But before then, we are going to check our system if the mic is properly connected. We'll click on this speaker sign on the system. We'll right click on it, then select open sound setting. Then click manage sound devices. These are input devices, as you can see, and this our mic, so it's connected through USB audio device. So if you remove it, it will disappear. You won't see it again. I'll try this for this before I was able to figure out how to use this mic. I almost returned the mic to the seller.
It's an affordable mic that can be used for anybody that streams online or want to record anything. So see the mic here, it appears here also. Please, I'm not affiliated with the manufacturer. I just want to show you how I can use the mic. That's the only thing I want. So you can see the mic here now as I'm testing it. There's it. So it's connected with my system. But I discovered something. The mic doesn't work with most of video recording software. So let's go to browser, any browser at all, and download the software that the mic works with. So I'll download Audacity here. I'll choose Audacity for PC. The software is free before somebody will start asking me a question. I'll scroll down, then click on Downloads, and let me select Windows Direct. Select Windows. Now, this is the trick here. If you download Audacity installer recommended, downloading via Moose Hub. So here, the choice is yours if you want to download that, but you download it through a third-party app again. Then this second one that is not highlighted is also downloadable, so you can download from here, though it's not highlighted. So this is for 64-bit, if you have a 64-bit system, and there's also 32-bit if you have a 32-bit of system. We have the zipped. Let me download the installer. You click here. Thanks for downloading. You can now complete cloud setup. Please donate to this. You're doing a great job. So let's install the software. Let's run the software. Click on Run. I'll click on OK. Follow the screen instruction. Next. Next again. You can now install it. Doesn't take much time. Installation is finished, so we can launch the Audacity. Launch Audacity. Click Finish. This is Audacity being launched. And accept. Click OK for now. Then we need to check if our mic is connected by clicking Audio Setup here. And click on Recording Devices or device. You can see it's not connected. So let's test the Audacity with a primary mic input, and you can see it here recording. I'll stop it. Let's change it to our SF920. This is it here. Click it. Make sure that is selected. Yes, it's selected. So let's record again. The mic is clear and also filtered, and that is the difference. So this is how you can make use of your SF920 affordable mic. That's the essence of this video. They didn't pay me for it, but I just want to help my audience, my followers, and my subscribers, in case if any of them is interested in anything like podcasts, vlog, online streaming, and so on. If you have any question, please use the comment section. Thank you, and bye for now.